Hi guys, let's see how to count the sum of all cells in a column. So one simple way is just select all the fields and then you can see it instantly in the bottom right. Okay, so if you click on it, you can see average, minimum, count number, okay, and the total value here. But what if you want to create a total value field where the total value will be written, and whenever you change something, the total will also be changed according to that. So for that, what you can do is just double click on it, just type equals to, then type sum, then bracket, then just select the first field of the column, okay, or you can write it B1, this is B and 1, first row, and then colon, and then type the last, and after that hit enter, and the sum will be there. Okay, so whenever you will change something, this will be changed. Okay, so whenever you change something, it changes. Similarly, you can do this with rows. Let's say you select it, okay, and you want to find the sum here. Type equals to sum, comma, and then it will be F5 colon, and it will be I5. Okay, and that's it. Whenever you will change something, it will also change. Thanks for watching.